Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our Z8 Ultra Max smartwatch. Okay, it is a wearable from Zordai here. So we have a Zordai application. Okay, so it is a premium smartwatch. Okay, it's a 49mm version with a premium design, materials, and of course features. So this time we are going to check the Bluetooth function of the smartwatch, the Bluetooth call, as well as the push and message notifications. So if you have any questions regarding this video demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so everything is set. And our smartwatch here is in a almost full battery mode. Okay, we have a decent battery life here, and we are already connected with our support app. So it is using the Zordai support app, as you can see. Okay, so it seems like everything is okay. We have incoming calls here, SMS activated. Let's see for our app notifications. So not yet, so let's activate it. And we have the WhatsApp application here. So let's check also here in the Bluetooth connectivity. Okay, let's see more settings. Okay, we do have the Zordai audio, making sure that we are also connected to phone, media audio, and contact sharing. So seems like everything is okay. We do hope that it works. Okay, so let's try. Okay, and message the smartwatch. Okay, so let's access it here, the WhatsApp application. Okay, so let's try. Okay, let's message the smartphone. Hello, first try. So let's see. Okay, hopefully we will receive it. Okay, so we receive a notification here, as you can see. Okay, so where do we see that notification? Okay, is it here? No. So we don't have a shortcut. Maybe we can customize it here. Okay, so let's see. As you can see, we have the message. Okay, let's tap on it. Hello, first try. Okay, and we have the icon here and the time. Okay, so far it works. Again, let's have another one. Hello again. So far the app notification works. We are using the WhatsApp application. Okay, so it works. As you can see here, we receive it simultaneously with our smartphone. So it is a real-time push notifications. How about for the calls? Let's see. Do we receive any notifications? Okay. Okay, so you can receive it here. Okay, or you get a notification. Adjust the volume, and you have the option to block calls here. Okay, or reject calls. Okay. Okay, so okay, did we reject it? Okay, so it works so far. Okay, how about the SMS? Okay, so let's go for the SMS. Okay, so let's send a message. This is an SMS message. Okay, so let's see if we will receive a SMS message. So far, the app notification works, or the app message works. We'll see the SMS. Okay, so here it works. Okay, messages. So this is an SMS message. So you receive the message directly, okay, in real time here in your smartphone or smartwatch. Okay, so how about our call notifications or the Bluetooth call? So let's see. So for the SMS, no settings. Okay, frequent contacts, let's add first. Okay, so we have the Bluetooth call here. So seems like everything works. So it sends instructions on how to set it. Frequent contacts, let's add. Okay, so far, as you can see here, we don't have any contacts here. Okay, so let's add one. Okay, how do we add the contacts here? Recent. There's no option. Okay, so here are the contacts here. You can add groups or recent contacts or contacts. Okay, so for example, I have here at least two contacts. Let's add another one, and it's added here. Okay, so I have here the contacts to the other phone. Just tap on save, and let's see. Synchronize sync data. Okay, so let's see if we have 20%, 40, 80. Okay, so let's see it here. Okay, so we have here the number of the phone. Okay, so let's check if the Bluetooth call works. Okay, phone. Let's go first with the dial. Okay, device. Let's check. So let's try this number, 096 961 58399. Okay.
The number cannot be completed as dialed. Please check the number and dial again. Your number cannot be completed as dialed. Please check the number and
very
dial
loud
again.
speaker. Let's see. Okay, hang up. Let's check again. Maybe we made a mistake when it comes to the number. Okay, so this is the number. Okay, this is not the one, I guess. 583-0969-61583. Okay, I guess we just have having an issue with it. Okay, that's it. It's now calling. Okay, so as you can see here, it works. Okay, let's end it. Okay, how about if we tap on this again? Okay, it also works. Okay, how about if we dial the number on this one? Okay, so let's see. Okay, what is our number? Phone. So let's see. Okay, contacts, phone. Let's call the number 0919 80920994. Okay, so everything's okay now. Let's see when we receive it here. Okay, let's send first. Okay, again. Okay, very loud speaker as you can see here. Okay, let me try to answer the call. How do you answer? Okay, hello. Hello. Works. Everything works. Okay, so we have a feedback, and as you can see, very loud speaker, and everything works for the Bluetooth call. Even if we dial it here, okay, it also works. Okay, so let's try. Okay, if I answered here, okay, hello. Yes. Okay, so far the Bluetooth works, as well as the call. We have call logs here, or call records. Okay, so it works with the SMS messages, as you can see, and it also works with the app notifications. Okay, so seems like everything works when it comes to messaging and calls for the Z8 Ultra Max smartwatch. Okay, we did not have any issues at all, okay, with the Bluetooth call, as you can see. Okay, and of course, just don't forget the number. Okay, but so far it works with the Bluetooth call, SMS, as well as the app notifications. Okay, so everything works perfectly, and the speakers very good. I am impressed. Okay, you can also adjust the volume directly in the smartwatch. Okay, so that's it for the Bluetooth call demo for the Z8 Ultra Max smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the video review of the Bluetooth call functionality for the Z8 Ultra Max smartwatch, just drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your questions if you have the time. Bye.